Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I give you a meal planning tip or teach you about a feature of Plan to Eat in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to show you some of the different print options that we have both with the app and the website. So on the app, you have two different printing options. You can print individual recipes and you can print your shopping list. So I want to show you how you can print your recipes really easily from the app. All you need to do is open a recipe, tap on the three-dot menu, and then you will see the option to print recipe at the bottom of the second section there. It is going to open up a PDF version of this recipe, and you will be able to review all this information and then hit the print button. And now it's going to give you some of the options so that you can make everything fit onto one page, or you can change the page orientation, whatever the things are that you like to do when you're printing your recipes. So you can also print your shopping list in exactly the same way. We'll go back to Plan to Eat and hit the shopping tab. And from the three-dot menu over here, you will see the second option on the list is to print your shopping list. Once again, it's going to open up a PDF version of this, and you can choose the size of the font, and you can choose all of the other options here for how you want your shopping list to look. This is also where you can choose to share your shopping list with somebody else. You can use the little share icon down at the bottom and choose to message this to somebody else or email it to somebody else so that they can also see your shopping list. Okay, now if you want to print your meal plan, you need to do that over on the website version of the program. So let's hop over there and I'll show you exactly how to do that. All right, so here we are on the website meal planner. You can see that I have a great meal plan made for this week, and I want to be able to print it out so that I can, stick it on my fridge or put it somewhere in the kitchen so that everybody else also knows what the meal plan is. All I need to do is come over here and use the print icon in the upper right-hand side. It's going to give me this print preview, and currently it's set to month view, but since I don't have anything else planned for the rest of the month, I can switch it over to the week view here and see all of those recipes. We also have the option here to be able to print the 9 recipes that are included in this meal plan. So you can click on that, and it's going to then also print all of these recipes that you have if you like to be able to cook from a physical recipe. Okay, so those are your print options within Plan to Eat. You can also print individual recipes and your shopping list from the website version of the program, but the only option currently for printing your meal plan is on the website. There's going to be a help article so that you can read a little bit more about all these printing options. And if you have any questions, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.